Access to Gombe Main Market and Bew Road have been sealed by the Gombe State Internal Revenue Service over non-payment of taxes. This followed a court ruling on the suit initiated by Access Bank sometimes in March 2020. Our correspondent Christopher Luca was there and now files in the report.
Access Bank owes Gombe State the sum of 118,045,098 naira 20 kobo in taxes accrued over a 10-year period. Tax audit conducted from 2008 to 2018 revealed the bank's non-compliant status within the period, prompting this enforcement team to seal the facility.
When we insist that they should come and actually and defray their tax liability, they rush to tax appeal tribunal in Bauchi. You understand? They are the one that took us to the court. And ironically, we follow up with our legal department day by day up to this moment when we have a ruling that their case is dismissed and they are to come and pay that particular liability. And it's about 118 million.
The board says in order to uphold fairness, it has created opportunities for interaction with taxpayers after serving them demand notices.
My call is to all tax-paying entities and tax-paying organizations to actually comply with the rules set out by Gombe State Revenue Codification and Consolidation Law. And there are processes when it comes to issue of demand notice or notice of assessment. You have right to object. What we have put on the demand notice is not cast in gold or iron. It's not a revelation from God. You understand? You can say, no, you are not paying this amount and these are your reasons. But you can't just ignore, blatantly ignore.
To correct lack of enforcement inherited from the past, new tax laws have been put in place.
One of the problems we discover is the lack of enforcement, and lack of enforcement actually cannot give you guarantee collections. So we have to amend the law, you understand? And His Excellency signed the new law by 31st of December 2021, and then we have a new tax law that also created an institution for defraying or adjudicating issues of non-payment of taxes and levies. You understand? Now in Gombe State, we are going to constitute what we call Revenue Recovery Tribunal. And very soon we are going to put it in place. And any taxpayer that we give a demand notice or notice of assessment and he failed to comply, we can just take him. We don't need to run to Bauchi again.
Upon disrupting the business day, irate customers caught up in the web of the drama air their grievances.
Now I don't have single kobo in my pocket and I want to use my money. How will I use it? Single kobo I don't have. This is embarrassment. And maybe from this time around, I will never attend to this bank again. I will just come and block the account. Let me just go back to...
The affected Access Bank facilities will remain under lock and key pending payment of the accrued taxes. As the Inwo Yahya administration continues to provide critical infrastructure for the state, individuals as well as corporate entities are called upon to remain tax compliant. Christopher Luca, Viewer Television News, Gombe.